I'm Susan. Today I'm going to do a flip through of my farm journal. I finally finished it. I've been talking about it on some of my videos. So I'm going to just do a flip through for it. I used it's like Bisquick, but it's Kroger brand baking mix box, and I just patted it and stitched around it. And I love this fabric. I got it at Walmart. I just added just a piece of ribbon on the back to cover where I stitched it in, and I made this tassel and got a few charms on there and beads, and just used some of the ribbon that I may have used throughout. I used a piece of my grandmother's doily that I've been using, and it was already coming unraveled. I wouldn't cut one of her doilies that wasn't already coming unraveled. I've got this cute little frog on this safety pin, and I've got my little cow on the corrugated cardboard. I had to put it where I couldn't cover up the chickens. I didn't want to cover up the chickens. And I've just got a sari silk closure. These are the extra ephemera that'll go with it. And I've got a pocket here with a journaling card. And I've got a second little pocket there. I love the digitals. Okay, these digitals came from Digitalis Graphica. It's Digitales, capital Grafika. I haven't really seen too much of them, but I fell in love with it. It came across when I was looking, probably when I shouldn't have been. But I've got this little tiny envelope. I've just got it clipped on with a Tim Holtz paper clip, and got some little teeny tiny postcards. I'm not sure where I got those from, but I've got them throughout my journal. But I just clipped that on with a paper clip. I just did a little cluster there. These are some of Christie's printables, the little cows, and I just did a little card to go there. This is some sprayed guest check. I got that in Happy Mail at pretty washi tape. Did some stamping. I've got this little charm here, it's like a little farm girl. And some of these I left blank. I figured you could put pictures or do your own decorating. I've got lots of ephemera in here. I've got this tag. I had done this in the 50 stack challenge hosted by Crafty Cat. I think we had to doodle or do something, I can't remember. And I've got this little postcard stuck, and I did this with a 50 stack challenge. I think that came from Graphics Fairy. Just put a little trim there. I've used stickers throughout. I just covered the page. I think that'd be pretty for a picture or something. I've got these little beads. And this is from a calendar. In fact, that's why I used stiff paper, because the calendar was so flimsy. Gosh, I made these, I don't know, a very long time ago. The little matchbook little pad. Gosh, this is some of the first ephemera I made, I believe. And more print. I figure you can write on that, or you can add pictures. Another one of my past ephemeras. And my Big Mama Sandy Moore called it my Farmer Jack. My little, this was a altered playing card from, I think I did the Shinoki art. I think that was where I had done this one. And so we had to do like crisscross and or weaved or something. I can't remember. Anyway, I love that. I have that stamp and I love that image. Some more. Got these big journaling pockets, and that's some of Christie's printables. And I've got this one. This one is from the Digital Collage Club. I joined them. They've got some beautiful images. I just did a little piece of paper and just collaged on the top of it. I've got this little envelope that has a little card in it. Same with these. All of these have little cards in them. Little postcards that open up. Just a little tag. The stickers. I've got this envelope that I just added on with a paper clip. Again, that'd be perfect for the pictures and stuff. Another of the calendar page. I covered it and oops, didn't let it get dry. Made a belly band with some of the fabric and lace that I used. Another page. Another sticker. Sewed on some ruffles. And I've got that tag. And then these little tags, I just put stickers. This pocket is I learned to do from Gail Augustinelli. Another Christie's printables. I love that look. Hello there. I just did that. And that is, I think, from Roxy's Challenge, if I'm not mistaken. And I think this was just some ephemera that I made. Got some ledger page. Like I said, I love these images. I've always been like, love cows and chickens, and used to collect them all back in the 80s when that was so popular. Still have some of them. Decorated that guest check, got my tag, and this was a jelly print index card. Another card with little things put in it. These, like I said, all of these open up. Give you a little bit of writing space. This I made a double tuck, also with the cards. Another one of Christie's printables. Another stamp. Tag made with some of the that came with the kit. And that was from Dollar Tree. Those little 6x6 paper pads. I love those. That one too. That one came from Graphics Fairy. Another Christie's printables. Another Christie's printables. And this, I had to cover up most of it. I had another one in the back that I've seen. That was when I first started my channel. I don't even know if I'd started my channel yet or not. But I first started into the paper crafting, and Joey DeFee was showing like using an old notebook where you collage, and I kind of went overboard with it, so I kind of had to tone that down. I've got my little horse charm. Hope I didn't miss another charm there. They get lost sometimes. Just a little writing tuck. A little short one you could put pictures on. Part of a calendar. I think this one came from Graphics Fairy. And this is my first foray into sewing ruffles, so I'm not sure how well I did. Another one from the Digital Collage Club. All four of these roosters, there's 4 in here, were printed on, you know, at one time. Some more, another jelly print index card, and another envelope with a little open up postcard. Got this one. Love it. The other half of that digital. I've got that one that's got a little pocket in it, and I've got this one. And this pocket is one of those that go around the page. I did from the Roxy's weekly challenge. Another jelly print and another tag. I had a fabric flip. I love these stickers. I think I got those at Hobby Lobby. Another charm. A little heart with little pearls. I think this is some of my, I don't know what I was doing with that. I don't know if it was jelly print or just stamping. It looks like it's just stamping. Another one of the Christie's printables. Another tag, and this is another one. I want to say that's a Roxy's weekly challenge, but I'm not 100% sure. Got my other big tag. Got my little tag there, and charm with the little swans. Little tuck spot for a tag. Another Christie's printable. Another calendar. And that's the Graphics Fairy. Another over around the page from the Roxy's weekly challenge. A tag I made a long time ago. Another jelly print index card. Another Christie's printable. This is a little tuck-in writing spot using Tim Holtz paper, and I just put some ephemera in a little pocket and put it in this pocket. Another one I made a long time ago. It's good to use up some of that ephemera I've been making and just holding on to. And the last page, Made with Love by Susan Gazaway. And this one I did a long time ago, and another jelly print page. And that's a pocket as well. And that is it. I hope you like it. I enjoy doing this. I procrastinated with it for a while. But once I really got into it, I really had fun doing it, and I figure if I'm going to do the Dear Julie challenge, I better get this one finished so I can start on that one. The month's already halfway over. But I hope you enjoyed this flip through. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day and keep crafting. I love y'all. Bye, y'all.